Alright, welcome again. Thank you very much for joining me. This is Military Guna TV, and I want to say I really appreciate all those guys who took the time out, hit the comments, also hit the like button, who have subscribed. I really appreciate the support that you guys have given me, and today I want to bring across more information that is really circling in the media. Folarin Balogun is actually leaving Arsenal Football Club, and it is now seems as if he has already agreed pre-contract terms with RB Leipzig. And we saw these articles being published even in last summer, also in the last transfer window. And he's now dropping massive hints that he's not happy, and it seems as if he's now really moving on. Now, he's a massive prospect, great prospect, has all the potential, and his part in the first team has been blocked by the likes of Eddie Nketiah. Also, we know that he is the type of player that he has a lot to bring forward, but I do believe that this move is solely influenced by his agent. This move is solely influenced by his agent. Now, he has the same agent as Eddie Nketiah, also the same agent as Saka. So I'm not sure why the deal didn't really went down. His claim is that he wanted game time, he wanted guaranteed game time, and honestly, from a fan's perspective, I cannot see how he would have gotten that guaranteed game time, knowing how we have recently tied down ourselves to Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang on a 3-year contract. And I do know that also we have the likes of Martinelli, Nicolas Pepe. These are the guys that are there available to play in that position. And really and truly, we have also brought in so many young strikers as well. Muller, who is playing in the under 23 team in the Premier League too. And I have watched these guys, and these guys are really good. No, there are so many strikers, central strikers, who are in Arsenal Football Club on loan right now, also who are in front of him, the likes of Tyrese John Jules. Yes, Tyrese John Jules is in front of him because John Jules is playing senior football, also banging in goals and doing things. All the things that Folarin Balogun has done in the youth team, it has been topped by other players. So I am not sure what the scenario in regards to Balogun is. I know many Arsenal fans really do love the player and sees that and hope that he can become the type of player they want him to become. But my problem with most Arsenal fans is that they're seeing the player that he is in the future right now. Stop looking at the player that he can become rather than look at the player that he is right now. He needs game time, he needs to be fully developed. Yes, we might believe that he has a bit more to add to his game, because we're going to say, okay, Eddie Nketiah is not good enough. Then we're going to go to Balogun, saying that Balogun is ready to make that step. But yet still, Eddie Nketiah has been playing senior football for a while now. Yes, he might not give us that top end that we expect, but we have to bear in mind that he is also young and needs time to fully develop. But he's playing game time in senior games as well. And Folarin Balogun, whatever Folarin Balogun did in the youth team, Eddie Nketiah done it on a higher level. Also, he's now the captain of the under 21 national team for England. So I'm not sure why there's so many debates. I really would advise him that if he wanted to stay, he would have to sit down, buckle down, and wait for his opportunity, because no game time is guaranteed to no young player, and we have so many senior players at the club. And right now, Arsenal are actually looking to bring in Odeson Edward, and even bringing that player would mean that would have sit way behind. Maybe you'd be behind Martinelli, John Jules if he should return, Nketiah if he should stay. Also, we still have Lacazette, and we're still not sure what is the contractual situation with Lacazette. So I know that he's upset, and I knew that he wanted to stay, but he allows his agent to make the demand for him and make the situation more complicated. Now, I knew that something was wrong because I've been covering the under 21 under 23 team, the Premier League 2 team for a long while now. You guys can check out my match reports. Even the last game that we got thrashed 4-0 by Liverpool, Balogun didn't play as well. We saw the likes of Muller playing up front, Olienka playing in the midfield area. What we do know is that this player, he wants to play for Arsenal, but the contractual agreement could not reach to the final terms. Now, as I said, I knew that something was up and that he was on the go, because I realized that since the closing of the January transfer market, since then he had made only about one appearance or two. I think it's about one appearance since then, and we have played about 9 games since then, and we actually haven't been playing good so far. We haven't been playing so good, and even the likes of Reece Nelson is in the team, Muller is in the team, so many players are in the team, Sirijan is in the team, and they're not playing really good. Friday coming, they'll be playing against, I think it's Southampton. Hopefully they can get something. And since then, I haven't seen Folarin Balogun featured for the under-23 teams, and I haven't seen much of him since then. He's been silent, really silent on social media since that last post that he made on Twitter in regards to Arsenal when we lost the game and they brought on Eddie Nketiah. Didn't do anything. Eddie Nketiah got a lot of backlashing, and then immediately as the whistle blew and we lost the game, Folarin Balogun Twitter page, I'm not sure if it was predetermined, but he released a video of himself scoring a goal, and that was in February when the transfer market was going live. So I'm not sure if that was actually in pursuance for him to get the contract deal over, or to help instigate something in Arsenal, or the managerial, the contractual agreement to move a bit faster. But it didn't work out, and hopefully he has a successful career in RB Leipzig. I wanted us to get a fee for him, but as it stands right now, it seems as if he'll be going for free, and he's a good prospect, really good prospect, but he didn't have the patience to sit and wait for his time, as did many other players such as Emile Smith-Rowe, Saka. All these guys wait on their time. Even Martinelli, these guys wait on their time, and they are now reaping the reward for their patience. Well, hopefully you guys hit the like button and you like the content. Tell me what you guys think, if we should actually let him go or try our best to get him facilitated or installed into the team by any means necessary. I'm not sure what I believe, because I think that there's no pathway for him, because we have just committed to Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang in the central forward position, and we have the likes of Martinelli also in that position, and we know Arsenal is going for another striker to replace Alexander Lacazette, so it'd be actually third tier in that position, and that would be not enough. That wouldn't be enough for him, because we have so many on the front line playing in that position. But anyways, hopefully he has a good career moving into the German league, and I wish you all the best. And this has been Military Guna TV. Thank you very much, guys, for listening to me and also watching content. Hopefully you guys hit the like button, and if you want to subscribe, I'm asking you to subscribe, but if you want to, you better. Thank you very much for tuning in. Military Guna TV. I am out.